Guys, it's me Phoebe, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing another drawing tutorial video. But today I got sent this in the post and it really is the best thing ever, and it's this fidget spinner and it's so cool. It's like metallic, really heavy, it's metal, and these bits, like there's 7. And it's such a good fidget spinner. I do recommend you get this. It goes so quick. Just put it like that, it looks really cool. But look, there's little holes. This is a close-up for it. Yeah. That's not what we're doing today in this video. But today we're going to be doing a drawing tutorial. So let's get to it. Right, so today we're going to be drawing what? I'm trying. So we're going to be drawing a cute dog. So let's get to it. So you want to start off with its nose, because this dog is quite it's just how I normally draw dogs. So let's do that. And then from the nose, you want to make a line and go up and go down. Like that. So like this. If you want, you can change the style. I am. Hang on. My little Pikachu rubber. Cute. At the bottom, like the bit, it looks kind of weird. So you can change it. But if yours looks fine, if you think it looks good, then keep it. Right. So I'm thinking this looks better. And then you want to do the eye. So the eye is just going to be like a black circle of a little, like that. Then you want to do eyelashes, if you want. Like that. And then you want to do the body. Do a white patch. I don't know what type of dog this is, but it's just a dog I like drawing. So like that. I know it looks kind of weird, I must say, but it's better than nothing. It's cute. Cute. Yeah. Now you want to add the colour, so yeah, let's get to the colouring part. Back again, I've got my trusty worthy pens. And this dog can be whatever colour you want. I'm going to go for like maybe light brown. I'm just going to pause the video because this may take a while. So guys, as you can see, I'm in my pajamas now. And there's my sister, she's got her jumps on. But we've got this done. And I've just noticed the head is well big. So we will have to do with that. So let's get on with the body. I'm gonna just leave the video. Speak to
you. Jessie, I'm watching Matilda.
Hang on, cool. 1 minute.
And my teacher.
Hope you enjoyed this video. And that is the cute kawaii dog. And like you've been waiting for like a month now, I said it'll be today where I do my shout out video. So, the next video I do, which will be like in about 10 minutes, will be shout out. And there's a lot of people, but I finally picked one person. So, yeah. Bye guys, and I will see you later today. If you watch my videos today, then yeah. Bye. Don't forget to like and smash that subscribe button. And don't forget to comment before. Don't forget to comment on this video just before the shout out video. You might get chosen. It could be a very nice comment or a very horrible comment. I don't mind. But it has to be something or you don't get a shout out. Bye. Also, you have to like to be in the shout out as well and subscribe. So, once again, bye.
Why is so quiet?
Yeah. Bye, guys.